Many people don't realize how fragile, how delicate our daily independence is. Until one fine day, it's gone, just like that. Not because of an accident, but because the body quietly stopped keeping up. 20 साल से ज़्यादा हो गए अब मुझे ये ऑब्जर्व करते हुए, ये देखते हुए इन द पीपल अराउंड मी, फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, अक्वेंटेंसेस, क्लाइंट्स, सीईओज हों या फिर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स, केयर गिवर्स हों और इवन डांसर्स एंड एथलीट्स. This observation is what deepened my realization that fitness is not what we often think it to be. हम उसको क्या बना के क्या सोच के रखते हैं, शायद फिटनेस वो नहीं है. It's not just about gyms or six packs. ये अच्छे हैं, no denying, पर ये सब कुछ नहीं है फिटनेस का. So what really is fitness? If you ask me, it's about keeping the life that you love in your own hands. And this interpretation, this meaning of fitness, at least for me, changed completely over the 20 years of working with different kinds of people, and it continues to guide me. अपने लिए भी और मेरे clients के लिए भी. How you look, how long you can run, etc. ये fitness का एक version है जो, like I said, अच्छा है. Aspirational भी होना चाहिए. But अगर हम real fitness की बात करें, deeper fitness की, it's your body's ability to support your life in the background every single day, no matter what that day looks like. To get through meetings without back pain, to be able to travel without anxiety, to be able to carry your child more easily, or even handle your own luggage. आपको आसपास के लोगों से कम सहायता मांगनी पड़ती है. Or to bounce back better after illness or surgery, या शायद heartbreak के बाद भी. To be able to play, walk, sit, stand better. That is, to say yes to life and living better. आप खुल के, बिना कंस्ट्रेंट्स के, बिना बॉडी के डर के या डाउट के चॉइसेस कर पाए और जी पाए. Now, isn't that an empowering option? Doesn't that make you feel free and powerful? And it's not about being a fitness person. No, it's about being a prepared person. Difference होता है. And sometimes it takes just one powerful moment to redefine what fitness really means. जैसा कि मेरे साथ कई बार हो चुका है और मेरे clients के साथ कई बार हो चुका है. As you know, I'm a medical rehab specialist. So I routinely have to handle people जिनकी life में बहुत सारी limiting conditions आ जाती हैं. कितने examples मैं आपको दे सकती हूँ, but I'll share just one. I once worked with a lady in her 50s who was undergoing cancer treatment. अब आपको क्या लगता है कि ये मेरे पास क्यों आई होंगी? She didn't come to me to bulk up or because she was taking part in a fitness competition. She came to me because she wanted to be able to climb 2 flights of stairs in her house without needing to call her daughter. She wanted to be able to brush her own hair, bathe herself. खुद का ध्यान रखने की ability वापस लेने आई थी वो, and not to be dependent on her family members. वो किसी पे बोझ बनकर नहीं रहना चाहती थी, in her own words. That was her fitness goal. Dignity of life was her fitness goal. And you know, when she was able to do all of this on her own, after weeks of effort together, her tears of joy were not about the actual actions. They were more about feeling capable again, about feeling independent, about her self-respect, her self-belief, her self-dignity coming back. आपने कभी फिटनेस का मतलब इस नजरिए से सोचा है that a fit body does not just develop the body's muscles, it also develops the muscles for everyday life if you interpret it that way. आप अपने लिए सोच के जवाब दीजिए. Can you now get off the floor, from the floor, easily without help? Can you stand for 45-60 minutes or longer without discomfort? आप जब हॉलीडे पे जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा डाउट होता है कि चल पाएंगे कि नहीं, बैक का क्या हाल होगा, शोल्डर्स, नीज, या चल तब तो लेंगे, वापस होके क्या आएगा? That's fitness too. And by the way, it matters whether you're 22 years old, 42 or 72. तो कोई एज इससे बच के नहीं है. हम अक्सर ये समझते नहीं या बिल्कुल भूल जाते हैं कि फिटनेस इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द फिजिकल. It deeply shapes our mental and our emotional health too. जिनके पास नहीं है उनसे पूछिए. People often say it's all in the mind. Yes, mind is powerful, but the truth is, mind draws strength from the body. Body एक vessel है mind का. When your body feels sluggish, tired, diseased, or tight, your thoughts begin to reflect that. You may become short tempered, foggy, overwhelmed, angry. You may cry easily, get depressed. But movement, balanced, consistent movement or fitness has a way of restoring you. आप बेटर सोते हैं रात को, शार्पर सोच पाते हैं दिन में, और लाइटर फील करते हैं जनरली अपनी लाइफ में. So basically, you carry yourself a little differently now, not just physically, but also emotionally and mentally. सच ये है, the mind is not stronger despite the body, it becomes stronger through it. So mind और body के connection को undermine मत करिए. Yes, fitness definitely helps us recover, but it also helps us to live better even when nothing is wrong in our lives. And this part is also very important to understand. फिटनेस को ना सिर्फ ये नहीं इंटरप्रेट करिए कि इट इज ओनली फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर हेल्थ स्केयर्स लेटर और फॉर एजिंग विच विल कैच अप. नो, इट्स ऑल्सो अबाउट हाउ यू शो अप right now for yourself. I've seen people rediscover their confidence, their spark, their spontaneity, not simply because they dropped weight, but because their body no longer holds them back. अब वो अपनी बॉडी से ये मैसेज नहीं आ रहा उनकी रुकावट के लिए खेद है, वो अपनी बॉडी से अब डरते कम हैं. They can now dance at weddings or at parties for long hours without any stress, strain, fear of pain. They're going on long treks, a beach trip, they've taken up new sports. They simply walk into a room and they feel at home in themselves in a fresh new way. So fitness allows you to do more of what you love with ease. So please don't wait for a health scare to begin. In fact, आपको पता है फिटनेस सबसे ज़्यादा इफेक्टिव कब होती है? जब आप उसको प्रिवेंटिव स्टेज पे करते हैं. आप एक बात बताइए मुझे, We insure our phones, our homes. हम तो ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस भी ले लेते हैं आजकल जब बाहर जाते हैं. But what about our bodies? बॉडी एक्सपेंसिव नहीं है. हमको एक्सपेंस अभी पता चलता है जब बीमार पड़ते हैं. The body gives early cues when something is not right, by the way. Tightness, fatigue, stiffness, breathlessness. काफ़ी सारे symptoms देती है हमारी body. और हम क्या करते हैं? Ignore. Most of us ignore those signs until something bigger develops and hits us. But fitness that is built gradually and intentionally acts like a valuable buffer. ये आपकी लाइफ को हर चीज से तो इम्यून नहीं करके रखेगी, बट इट कैन डेफिनेटली मेक यू मोर रेजिलिएंट टू इट, एंड आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू दैट बिकॉज आई सी दिस एट प्ले एवरी डे. एंड दैट रेजिलियंस इज व्हाट मेक्स अ डिफरेंस. चाहे आप सर्जरी से रिकवर कर रहे हैं, स्ट्रेस से कोप कर रहे हैं, या सडन लाइफ के चेंजेस से आप जूझ रहे हैं. एंड व्हेन लाइफ डज टेक अ टर्न, भगवान ना करे कभी इलनेस आ जाए, fitness can become something even more powerful. It can become a lifeline, as I see it becoming for my clients who are patients. In my medical rehab work, like I told you, I've trained and I train people with Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, cancer, arthritis, etc. आपको पता है, when everything else in their life feels so uncertain, fitness gives them something to hold on to. Yes, शायद cure नहीं, but courage, definitely. The ability to turn in bed without help, to hold a spoon steady, to stand and speak with confidence, to regain their daily chores and their self-independence. Sochiye. Movement gives you dignity of life. And that's when you realize fitness is not just about ability, it's also about identity. अब अगर आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि all that she's saying sounds important, but maybe not for me, शायद मेरे पे नहीं अप्लाई करता. Let me speak directly to that. क्यों नहीं अप्लाई करता? आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? You're watching me speak and you're thinking, but I've never worked out in my life. It's too late now. Or I'm just not that fitness type. या आप सोच रहे हैं, अभी तो कोई खास प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, बाद में सोचा था, सोचेंगे अगर कुछ हो जाएगा तो. Then let me say this very, very clearly. Fitness is not about age or trends or gym selfies. I've been saying this and I'm repeating. It's about how ready your body is to support the life you want today and 10 years from now. Even 10 minutes of smart, consistent movement or exercise, fitness a day can shift how you sleep, move, think, and age. Basically, it can shift how you live. I worked with people in their 70s who feel stronger now than they did in their 30s or 40s after taking up fitness for whatever purpose. And I've worked with 20 and 30-year-olds whose bodies were already slowing down until they shifted focus from just performance to self-support. It is never too early. It is never too late. And it is never about being someone else. That's also why in all these years, I've never really chased aesthetic goals alone. सिर्फ aesthetic goals मैंने नहीं chase करे, ना अपने लिए, nor for the people that I work with. कोई भी हो वो, ज़रूरी नहीं है जिनको illness हो. In all these years, I've never trained people just to get abs or drop 2 sizes because I've seen and they've seen what real transformation looks like, but more importantly, what it feels like. Imagine when someone walks up to you and says, hey, now I walk through the entire airport with my luggage without back pain. मैं अपने आप luggage ऊपर डाल पाती थी. I danced at my daughter's wedding पूरी रात without any aches, without any pain. बहुत मजा आया. That glow, it's not vanity. It's ability. It's freedom. And yes, confidence built from within shows up on the outside too. तो आज एक thought मैं आपके लिए छोड़ के जाना चाहती हूँ. If, God forbid, your health were to change overnight, would your body be ready to support you? Is it? आपकी body में वो buffer है आज? Please don't wait for pain. Please don't wait for regret. And please don't wait to feel motivated or inspired. Fitness is not a makeover. It's a partnership with your own body, with your own mind. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start valuing what your body already does for you. बहुत करती है आपकी body आपके लिए, and then respect it and support it right back. Let that be your inspiration. Because fitness is not about what you lose, it's about what you gain back. Freedom, function, joy, dreams, dignity of life. That's the kind of fitness I believe in because that's what I have learned over 20 plus years of training people of all kinds. मेरे लिए फिटनेस क्या है ये तो मैंने आपको बताया. मैंने क्या सीखा फिटनेस के बारे में. आपके लिए फिटनेस क्या मायने रखती है? I'd love to know. और अगर इस वीडियो को सुन के something shifted inside you, something connected with you, please do share your love, like, share the video, subscribe करें इस channel को because my goal is not just to leave you at the superficial level but to genuinely empower you to take control of your life, to live your life in a more wholesome, in a fuller, in a more determined manner.